Hi there, Tom Hughes here, and welcome to another GembaDocs product update video. This month we've got 10 great improvements for you. So let's dive in, and we're going to focus on the mobile app to start, which is a new one for our monthly update videos. So here we go. Our first improvement, we're going to call this user interface on the mobile app. And now we straight into create the SOP. We don't have that annoying pop-up screen where you have to select again. If you're in SOPs, it's just going to ask you to go straight into this screen. And within this same improvement, we've simplified this screen. So before you had take picture, take photograph, take video, choose from gallery. So now it's really simple. You either use the camera to take a picture or a 1-minute video, or select it from your gallery. It's a lot more simple. Our next improvement is around formatting when we want to put a lot of text into our SOP process description. If you type more than 120 characters, this happens by default. So it'll display this SOP as 4 steps, which will give you more space to have those up to 200 characters will display fine. So that's our second improvement this month. Just in passing, as I'm showing you that improvement, if that happens, it might excessively crop your images. And if you find that's an issue, you can choose this feature where we are display full image on PDF here. And that'll take care, no matter what format you selected, it'll display the full image with all your annotations. I just point that out in passing. That's not an improvement, that was there before. So next, improvement number 3, we've introduced drag and drop into the process steps. So instead of, it was quite cumbersome before to move steps around. So now you just grab them and you can put them wherever you like. It's much, much easier than it was before. So that is improvement number 3. Improvement number 4, we're into a restructuring of our settings. So let's dive in. Before it was a bit messy. We had settings all over the place, so we've added a structure to it now, So now we have profile settings, anything to do with that is now nice and tidy. User admin, the same. Password and security, the same. And so that's been a nice tidying up and hopefully much easier for our users to navigate. Number 5, it's another individual setting improvement. So now of the approval process, you don't only have to have it on for everything. If you have no tags on your SOPs, you can choose that they get automatically approved and they're not subject to the normal improvement process. That has to be switched on by an admin. But we had some users who were irritated by every single SOP had to go through an approval process. Now that's not the case. Number 6 is now on Kanban. So before, Kanbans had to go through an approval process. Now you can decide whether you want them to or not. So now you can make Kanbans bypass approval. Generally, they're less critical documents, so I think a lot of people are going to find that feature useful. Now coming out, I'm going to close down the mobile app. So now into our desktop application, where I'm going to show you improvement number 7. We need to go into the settings for that. So we have a public API, you may or may not know, but that'll allow you to link your GembaDocs more easily to other pieces of software. Before, you could pull over SOP titles, reference numbers, and PDFs. Now we've added the ability that you can pull over individual process descriptions, steps, images, and videos into your other pieces of software. So that's improvement number 7. Improvement number 8 is on the dashboard. So on the dashboard, we've added different sort by features. So you can do oldest, newest, and also very interestingly, open feedback. We had some discoveries ourselves when we did this. So if you've got the feedback feature enabled, you can see if they've been dealt with or not in this view. You can also, improvement number 9 is to be able to filter by multiple tags. So now you could only do one at a time before, but now you can include the filter to have multiple tags. Very useful feature if you're looking for something. Finally, improvement number 10, not insignificantly. If you might have noticed, we have a fundraising page now. So I'm not going to talk about this at length, but we want to harness the goodwill that our customers have. We already have hundreds of customers who are referring and recommending GembaDocs. And we thought you'd be insulted if we said we're going to give you $100 for doing that. We thought it would be better if every time you refer a customer to GembaDocs via this method, we'll donate $100 to Doctors Without Borders, Médecins Sans Frontières, amazing charity. I've raised 100 grand for them before, and my ambition is that with GembaDocs and your help, we can raise another 100,000. There's a feature here where you can download a poster, and it'll be customized to your organization. So you'll have a QR code and a code that if your referral enters when they sign up to GembaDocs, we'll know you did it. And here your name will be shown. And on this fundraising page, we're planning to have a league table of the customers who refer the most customers and therefore generate the most donations for MSF. It'll be a feature in our marketing over September, October, and forever, because we're going to keep going till we raise 100 grand. Oh, and before I forget, we've got a PS improvement. Call it improvement number 11. We've relayed out the create standard operation screen in web. So now you just have the title here, simplified the options here, and we put all the more complex document control details and advanced options at the bottom of the page. The idea is to make it more simple for the initial user. And now, instead of the tile format we've gone to this list style format. So, and relayed out how that looks step by step. And most importantly, we've added this insert step to make it much easier to insert steps into your SOP. And we've also removed a check we had so that you can save without the step being finished, because the amount of times we've had people going, I can't save the document, what's wrong? We've removed that step now, so you can just save anytime. So there we are. That's the product update over for this month. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Thanks very much for being a GembaDocs customer. We love every single one of you. Thanks for your support. Thanks for your improvement suggestions. That's how we get better. Thanks very much. Cheers.